To follow through on their promise to give children the same protection in the law from assault as adults. To make sure care leavers all over Wales have clear information about what extra money they can have. To make sure that they know about all children who are home educated, that those children get a suitable education, and that they have their rights to be safe and to be healthy, and that they get the opportunity to share their views on the education they receive. To make sure that any child who is raped or sexually assaulted gets the medical attention they need quickly and closer to home. To help all children to learn about healthy relationships and how this links to their rights by making it a part of the new curriculum. To teach all children about their rights under the new curriculum. To teach the curriculum in a way that is built around children's rights and to involve children in building that curriculum. To make sure all young people up to the age of 18 benefit from the My Travel Pass and to make it easy for all groups of young people to benefit from it. To make sure new anti-bullying guidance helps schools to develop strong anti-bullying strategies developed with young people that fit into the school's wider ethos of respect and emotional health and well-being. To help police liaison officers to keep doing good work in schools and to link their work to the new curriculum. To make sure that when children need help with their mental health or behaviour, organisations like mental health services, social workers and schools join up together to help them. To make sure more young people who need to move away from home to get the level of support they need can stay in Wales and live closer to their families. And finally, advocates are people who help children have their say when there are important decisions to make about their lives. There's been good progress on getting advocates to children who have social workers. This now needs to be put into the law. It also needs to be easier to find an advocate in hospitals and other places to do with health.